3 websites to look up before traveling for study abroad. Flight comparison websites like Orbitz. Compare flight prices to get the best deal. If you can, make sure to book your return flight at the same time. It can be much cheaper than booking separately. The airport's website. The airport you're leaving from and arriving to can have lots of important travel information like maps of the airport, terminal information, TSA, and info about customs. Use Google to look up currency exchange. Make sure to look up the currency exchange rate of wherever you're going. This can help you to budget for your study abroad term.